Welcome to my channel, my name is ZeroBoy, and today I will show you how to end any song or any project that you have using a reverb effect. This way it's more professional, look cleaner, it's not like a chop, cut, done. If you don't know, I do tutorials here on YouTube about filmmaking, tech review and Final Cut Pro tutorials. It's straight to the point, so if this is something that you're into, make sure to subscribe. I have this song that I choose from my Epidemic Sound library. If you want to check it out, I highly recommend. Royalty free, you can use for your YouTube videos. Description down below. One thing that I highly recommend you to do is listen to the beat, keep going on the rhythm. In my case, I'm gonna press M and 5, 6, 7. That where I press M, it's gonna be the place that it's gonna start fade, and press Shift H. It's gonna create this hold section, and I'm gonna press Command B. We're gonna cut this because I don't want the reverb effect to apply to the whole music. I just want from this part forward. This part I'm not gonna need it, so I'm just gonna cut, and then this part Command R and Command R just so we can see where the hold begins. Now that we have this part done, we're gonna go to Effects. We're gonna look for Cathedral. Select the clip that you want to apply the effect and then double click. Boom, it will create this nice fade already. Look, already looks good to me, but I just want to do a little fade here, and then you can adjust the intensity, the amount here. In this case, 42 is nice. You're good to go. That's pretty much it. Very easy. Leave your like to support this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.